Morning, students. Today we are reading the lesson The Lost Child by the Mulk Raj Anand. And this chapter is taken from the book The Moment, okay, of the ninth class. So, the central idea of this lesson is that the parents are most valuable for a child. So, how they are so valuable? So in this chapter we will read it. Okay, so how this lesson goes on, we will read it. Okay, a child goes to a fair with his parents. He is happy and excited and wants the sweets, toys displayed there, but his parents don't buy them for him. Means when he is going to the fair, he wants everything, whatever the present in the fair, but his parents don't buy them for him. So then last in the last day, he one person is offering to him all the things, but he told that I don't want all this. I want only my father and mother. In this way, the parents are most valuable for a child. So how? It was festival of spring. Means this spring means the seasons come, the season in which the flowers blooms and all this, and this spring is come after the winter. So from the wintry shade means winter seasons of narrow lanes alley emerged a gaily means happy, okay, humanity, and glade means clothes. So means after the winter seasons, the festival of springs came, and there is a festival of what means in the spring they having the fun, and they are going to a fair, okay, and they all wear new clothes and they are very happy. See, they are moving, they are coming from their narrow lanes and coming to the fair. So how they are coming? Some walked, कुछ जो है पैदल चल के आ रहे हैं. Some rode on the horse, sat, being carried in the bamboo and bullock cart. So some are, कोई पैदल आ रहा है, कोई हॉर्स पे आ रहा है, कोई जो है बैम्बो की जो बैलगाड़ी होती है उसमें आ रहा है. One little boy ran between his parents' legs, brimming over with life and laughter. Brimming means ब्रिंग मीन्स होता है जब हम गिलास को फुल पानी से ऊपर तक उसे भर देते हैं. दैट मीन्स ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टू बी सो फुल ऑफ ए लिक्विड दैट इट फ्लो ओवर द एज, एंड इट मीन्स ही इज़ वेरी happy means very happy, and he was laughing and going with his parents. We are in the fair, so he was going in the fair. Okay, so come child come, called his parents as he lagged behind. Lagged means जो है left, जब पीछे रह जाता है बच्चा. Left behind, fascinated by toys in the shop that lined the way. Fascinated means attracted. So they were going to fair. So he was again जो है पीछे रह जाता है. Left means पीछे रह जाता है, बिकॉज ही फैसिनेटेड बाय द टॉयज इन द शॉप्स दैट लाइंड अवे. जो है किसी न किसी चीज़ से वो जो है अट्रैक्ट हो जाता है, एंड ही यूज टू सी देयर द थिंग्स. ही हरेड मीन्स बहुत जल्दी है. टूवर्ड्स हिज पेरेंट्स, हिज फीट ओबीडेंट टू देयर कॉल मीन्स ही इज़ अ ओबीडेंट boy. So when their parents call him come child come, so वो पीछे रह जाता है जब आवाज़ लगाते हैं. he comes with their parents. his eyes still lingering means है he stopped for a while means वहाँ रुकता है, stop, okay, on receding toys. so he is looking at the जो है left behind as one he walked ahead means ये पीछे रह जाता है. अगेन as he came to where they stopped to wait for him, वो रुकते हैं एंड फिर वो उसके साथ हो जाता है. he could not suppress means जो है हम अपनी जो है इच्छा को कोई जो है दबाना, पुट to an end. Okay, put to an end. A desire, want, ichha of his heart, even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusals eyes in मीन्स कोल्ड रिफ्यूजल्स मीन्स ओल्ड जो उनकी कोई पुरानी आदत है रिफ्यूज़ करने की. सो अगेन ही विल बी रिफ्यूज. ओके, सो आई वॉन्ट दैट टॉय ही प्लीडेड. प्लीडेड मीन्स हियर pleaded mean request. He again, when he saw some toys, he requested for that. His father looked at him, red eyes. Red eyes means he was in anger. In his familiar trant way, his mother, melted by the free spirit of the day, was tender and giving him her finger to hold, said, "Look, child, what is before you?" It was flowering mustard field, pale like melting gold as it swept across miles and miles of even land. Okay, so melted means here mother becomes tender and loving because father is showing his red eyes. जो है बहुत गुस्से में देख रहा है. तो his mother's melt and she become loving nature. And what she say, लुक एट द चाइल्ड बिफोर यू. आप जो तुम्हारे सामने है उसे देखो. क्या है? मस्टर्ड. मस्टर्ड मीन्स जो है सरसों का खेत. एंड व्हाट हैपन इन द जो है स्प्रिंग सीजन्स, देयर इज़ अ मस्टर्ड फील्ड्स ऑल ओवर. ओके, सो इट्स लुकिंग गोल्डन. आवर अर्थ बिकम गोल्डन. सो जो है पीले रंग की हो जाती है हमारी धरती जहाँ तक भी हमारी नज़रें जाती हैं. माइल्स एंड माइल्स मीन्स जहाँ तक हमारी नज़रें जा रही हैं वहाँ में जो है वी आर द मस्टर्ड फील्ड्स वी लुक्ड एंड इट्स लुक येलो एवरीवेयर. ओके, सो he is moving with his parents. A group of dragon flies. ग्रुप ऑफ ड्रैगन जो है फ्लाइज. ड्रैगन a type of flies like type of like not butterfly but like that of this boosting about on their gaudy means having a very extremely that attractive colors. Okay, purple wings intercepting the flight of a lone black bee or butterfly in search of sweetness from the flower. So group of flies जो है क्या है जो है घूम रहा है ऑन द, और उनके जो विंग्स हैं बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव हैं, बहुत ही शाइनी हैं, और जो है वो एक स्वीटनेस जो है फूलों के पास जो है जा रहे हैं ताकि वहाँ से वो स्वीटनेस ले सके. द चाइल्ड फॉलोड दैम. चाइल्ड फॉलोड दैम मीन्स followed them dragons flies in the air with his gaze. He was very happy and so he was behind them. Okay, so till one of them would still its wings and rest. जैसे ही वो that flies comes and it was resting and he would try to catch, and that boy he just tried to catch it, but it would be fluttering, flapping up into the air. But as he wants to catch, जैसे उसने उसको कैच करने की कोशिश की, what happened, it would flatterings and flapping, अपने जो है पंख, flapping means फड़फड़ाना, up into the air जो है flap करके हवा में उड़ जाती है. When he had almost caught it in his hand, उसने उसे पकड़ लिया था. Then his mother gave a cautionary call, means she gave a मतलब चेतावनी आवाज़ दी. Come child, come on the footpath. फुटपाथ पे जो है आ जाओ. Okay, so they are going to where? They are going to a fair. He ran towards his parents gaily. He gaily and walked abreast of them for a while. Gaily means side by side and facing the same way, means what happens, he was going with them but he was looking behind. Okay, लेकिन अब वो जो है अपने पेरेंट के साथ साथ चल रहा है और उनके साथ जो है जैसे वो चल रहे हैं वैसे चल रहा है. नहीं तो आप देख रहे थे ना बार बार पीछे मुड़ के वो रुक जाता था. सो ही वॉज abreast of them for a while, थोड़ी देर उनके साथ चलता है. Bean however soon left behind, and again what he soon left behind. फिर पीछे रह जाता है, attracted by the little insect. Now what he see now? He see a little insects and worms जो है along the footpath. जो फुटपाथ रास्ते से वो जो है जा रहे हैं, वे आर टमिंग आउट. टेमिंग आउट मीन्स टू प्योर और एम्प्टी आउट मीन्स बाहर आना. टेमिंग आउट मीन्स दे आर कमिंग आउट, ओके, फ्रॉम देयर हाइडिंग प्लेस टू एंजॉय द सनशाइन. जो इंसेक्ट्स हैं, वर्म्स हैं, तो जो है आपको बताया था दैट वाज अ नाउ season of after the winter season there is a season of what? Spring. So the all the insects and worms, they are coming from their hole and they wants to take the enjoyment of the sunshine. Again, come child come, his parents called from the shade of a grove. Shade of groves means a group of number of trees are there, so where they had seated themselves on the edge of a well. So they are sitting near the well and there are number of trees are there. He ran towards them, और फिर वो जो है towards उनकी तरफ भागा. A shower of young flowers fell upon the child as he entered the grove. Means as he entered the grove. Grove means again group of trees. जब वो as he was following his parents and when he entered that grove and forgetting his parents, he began to gather the raining petals in his hand. जो है ऊपर से जो है पंखुड़ियाँ जो है, पत्ते जो फूलों की पत्तियाँ हैं वो गिर रही थी. बट लो ही हर्ड द and then same moment he was heard the sound of doves. Dove is a kind of a bird that like a pigeon but it is of a white color. So they are giving some sound and ran towards his parents shouting, the dove, the dove. He wants to tell about that there is a dove. So the raining petals dropped from his forgotten hand. So he was collecting the petals in his hand and just he see the dove, so he ran and the petals there are dropped from his hand. Okay, come child come, they called to the child. Again he called, parents called the child who had now gone running in the wild capers round the banyan tree. Gathering him up, they took the narrow winding footpath which lead to the fair through the mustard field. So here what that running in the capers running means capers means having some trees there. So he was running around this is the caper, running in this way. So around the banyan tree, this is a banyan tree and he is running in this way like a small child used to do. And gathering him with they took the narrow winding footpath. Means narrow means that is a very narrow means बहुत नैरो मीन्स तंग है, बहुत संकीर्ण है, वो मीन्स कम चौड़ी है, ज़्यादा चौड़ी नहीं है. वाइंडिंग मीन्स घुमावदार है. फुटपाथ विच लीड टू द फेयर थ्रू द मस्टर्ड ऑयल, और वहाँ से जो है वो घूम के कहाँ जा रहे हैं? फेयर की तरफ जा रहे हैं. ओके, एज दे नियर द विलेज, near the village, the child could see many other footpaths full of throngs converging to the whirlpool of the fair, and left at once repelled and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering. So now the child, he entered into the fair. Okay, and throng means here huge crowd. Throngs means huge crowd and converging means gathering, means वहाँ बहुत लोग इकट्ठे होना, that crowd. And to the whirlpool again that you have seen in the water, you are looking that there is a word like this. So this is a whirlpool, भंवर जो कहते हैं, means बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ भड़ाका there is. And what at once he repelled means he was afraid and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering, and he was attracted and डर भी गया अट्रैक्ट भी हो गया, and he was entering, where he was entering, in the fair. Okay, so this is for your, for the today. We will read again in the next. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you.